welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. You've guessed it. It's arrived. It's arrived. Yes. The new AMD Sapphire 9070 non-XT. Yes, it has arrived. So we're going to have a look at it and unbox it. Now, with NVIDIA, they have lost my business, let me tell you. They are only worried about getting high margins on these $1 million AI machines that they're building. They started with gamers. Gamers made NVIDIA, helped them build their business. They are now the biggest company in the whole world, and they don't care about gamers anymore. Drivers are doing terrible things, and everybody's just sick of it. They're not giving the gamers what they want, what they deserve. So, NVIDIA has lost my business, and let's give AMD a try, see what it's like. And in fact, I'm going to do some real-world testing. I am not using DDU. I'm just going to install the graphics card and see if it works. I think it's just a bit of a, old wives' tale, so to speak, about doing this, because I know that some people have not used DDU and everything's just fine. I'd rather just leave it all the way it is and just see what happens. Sit right back, have a cup of coffee, and we'll get into it. Yes, it has arrived. That's right. 16 gigabyte Sapphire AMD Radeon 9070. Fantastic, fantastic. Also got a bit of thermal paste because my 3060 12 gigabyte EVGA, that budget model, I've had two of them. The first one got sent back, right? And instead of putting on fresh thermal paste, they sent me a whole brand new one. And now this thermal paste is drying up, getting too hot and drying up and cracking or whatever. It's a known problem with the 3060 EVGAs. Bad thermal paste application. So I may get some thermal pads as well, just in case. But we'll see. It definitely is going to need some new paste because I'm running it at 67% power. Now, yesterday I was getting around 61 degrees, and then I put it on 100% power, and it's going up like 76 degrees. Huge difference. And it's approaching the limit, which is like 83. And then the hot spot's going to be over 100 probably on that, 105 or whatever. So, yeah, if somebody else is going to use that card or I'm going to use it for some more testing, yeah, I got to fix it up. So, let's get on to the unboxing. Okay. I think I'll open this end. Yes, my lapel mic seems to have broken. All I did was untangle the cords and it stopped working. The wires. Okay. So, like I've said, I had a Sapphire back in 2008 and never had any problems with it. So Sapphire's been around a very, very long time. Yeah, I've been wanting to get a Sapphire. Whoops. And sweet. Okay, I'm just going to get in a better position to show it to you. So it's got 2 HDMI and 2 display port. Now, I don't have any display ports, so I wanted a Sapphire because they're just about the only brand that's doing 2 HDMIs. And I use gaming TV, OLED LGC2, 48-inch gaming, and it has both G-Sync and FreeSync Premium on it. So we're all set with that baby. Overclocking and undervolting, underpowering. See what we can get. Hey. Yes. Oh, got a bit of foam there. Okay, good thing I saw that. All right. Now there's no BIOS switch, there's no dual BIOS on this, but gosh, how many GPUs have failed with a corrupt BIOS? Oh man, it's got to be so low. So I've never had a problem, so I'm not worried about that at all. Okay. Oh, got some accessories. Let's see what we got here. Looks like RGB cable. Oh, and we've got that brace bracket that goes onto it to give it a bit more support. Okay. So we have this reinforcing bracket that's going to go. There's a bit of rubber there that's supposed to touch the graphics card. It's a 3-slot card, so you have to take 3 of these screws out and 3 of those little brackets slots out. And it just clicked down in there. To release it, there's a knob here, plastic that you press down on. Down in here. Okay, so we're just going to attach this bracket. So I've installed the graphics card, the AMD Sapphire 9070. I did not uninstall any NVIDIA software or drivers or anything. So it is plugged in. The monitor is plugged into the AMD graphics card. Okay, this is how the default settings on the Sapphire 9070 look. Just got a bit of a glow on the front there. The Corsair AIO is the other lighting, as well as the 200mm fans over there. So this is what it looks like. Well, if we have a look at some other graphics cards, you can see that with the 9070s, they boost up to about 2700. Okay, and then once you get into the XTs, they boost up to 3100. The Tai Chi. So if we go and have a look at a benchmark I ran on Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, we've got the 9070 with FSR and ultra performance, and the game clock, the GPU went clear up to 3146, and the temperature only got up to 52, which is fantastic. Used almost 14 gigabytes of VRAM, almost 7 of system memory. Yeah, I'm really happy with this card.
Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary, and don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.